Is your school looking for a fundraiser with meaning? Where Hope's mission is to help schools raise money while focusing on school pride, giving to those in need, and reinvesting in education. Where Hope is built on a simple concept. One blanket purchased means one blanket donated to someone in need. Parents, teachers, and faculty members can purchase school-branded fleece blankets that will last a lifetime. Blankets can be used at home, sporting events, outings, and more. Your school has the option to work with Where Hope's charity partners or have the blankets donated to an organization of your choice. Profits are split between Where Hope and your school, allowing you to reinvest the funds back into your education system. Join us by spreading kindness in your community, keeping children warm, and keeping hope alive.